Look at the calendar. 2026 is slipping through your fingers. And if you're being honest with yourself, you're feeling that familiar knot in your stomach. It's that quiet panic that another year is about to close, and you're still not where you promised yourself you'd be. Psychologists actually have a concept for this. It's the gap between your actual self and your ideal self. And right now, that gap is causing you cognitive dissonance. It's physically exhausting you. But here is the brutal truth that nobody wants to tell you. You don't need more motivation to finish this year strong. Motivation is a myth. You need a psychological hard reset. And we're going to do it right now. Here's why your past comeback attempts failed. You tried to change your actions without changing your identity. You woke up at 5 a.m., hit the gym, drank the water, but inside, you still saw yourself as a failure trying to fake it. Psychology tells us that humans will always self-sabotage to stay consistent with who they believe they are. If you secretly think you're lazy, your brain will literally engineer situations to prove you right. So, stop forcing habits. For the rest of 2026, I want you to play a mental game. It's called the alter ego effect. When you face a decision today, don't ask what you should do. Ask what the December 2026 version of you, the one who already won, would do. Detach your emotions from the action. Now, let's talk about your brain chemistry. Ours, but can't work for 30. It's a broken dopamine loop. To make a comeback in the next few months, we have to starve the cheap dopamine and feed the hard dopamine. It's a principle called environmental friction. Want to stop wasting time on your phone? Don't rely on willpower. Willpower is a finite resource. Create physical friction between you and your bad habits. If you want to build a business, the tab is already open when you wake up. Make success the path of least resistance. You don't have time for a massive, complicated 6-month plan. The year is ending. What you need is momentum. Zeigarnik Effect drives us crazy. I want you to pick one singular goal. Just one. Don't plan it perfectly. Just start it and leave it half done. 2026 isn't over. Not even close. The greatest comebacks don't happen when you have all the time in the world. They happen when your back is against the wall. Your back is against the wall. Make the choice. I'll see you at the finish line.